Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code for Any. Previous video will see how to create the cast page and TV show detail we need to develop. First of all, see how to create, and we need to open here the cast page, and we need to create here this cast page. First of all, display here the images and name and description. After we need to know for horizontal list view and light and dark theme, and go back and we need to create here the TV show. Need to create this design. First of all, create here the video player view, and then we need to create here the TV show details and episode list vertically show here, and and light theme we need to use here. Okay, let's start. Today we need to see here the search tabs, downloads and profile tabs to develop and complete this design today. Okay, let's start the coding. First of all, we need to create here the new folder inside the view, and we need to write down here new folder search, and then we need to create here another new folders download, and we need to create one more another folder create here the property. Okay, now first we need to start with the search screen. Search tab we need to develop. First of all, we need to create here the new files and write here search view start, and we need to write down here the stateful widget right here search view, and we need to first of all import here the material dependency, and now we need to create here the scaffold. And we need to give here the background color as a colors bg. We need to pass here, and first of all we need to import this color extension here, save this. Now we need to copy and paste inside here, create new file, and we need to put here logic, and we need to change this name profile view, save this. And now we need to create here the download folder. We need to create here inside download folder, inside we need to create here download view, and we need to already exported all images. We need to put inside the all image here. We need to copy this and drag inside the folder. We need to drag here, copy this code, and we need to put here the download folder. Okay, now save this, and we need to first of all the configure as a main tab. We need to put all view one by one. Write down here the const, and to here search view, and we need to first of all import this widget search view widget. We need to import here. Now we need to create here the const, and need to put down here the array value as a download, and we need to create another last one as a set tab, as a profile const, set here profile, and now set here the all text. We need to remove this const and we need to set here. And now fix this warning and save here. And we need to put here the all. First of all, inside go home and we need to initialize and variables, because we need to create automatically change this theme. What a broadcast we need to put. Now we need to go profile and we need to put here. Now we need to first of all this app broadcast. Now we need to go inside the download folders and we need to paste here. Okay, now save this all, and now we need to go inside the search screen. First of all, we need to develop here the search screens, then we need to create download, and after we need to create here the profile screen. Okay, let's start. First of all, we need to search. Let's see here the design. First of all, how to see here. Search screen look like this, and download screen look like this, and profile screen need to look like this way. Okay, now start. We need to coding. First of all, we need to create here the body, and we need to write down it the single child scroll view. To write down here the column, and we need to text edit, editing controller, txt search. Save here. Now we need to create here the list as a search. For the TV show. Here, okay. We'll do write down here name TV show, give here the list, write down here the name, to copy inside the search one relative part unit here. It's got here. Now need to copy this here, create here pages as a search 2 and 3. Now we need to give here the movies, and we need to give here the semicolon. Now search area are done, and we need to create here first of all the write down here cross axis alignment set as a start. Now we need to create here the shape area, and we need to put here heading control const edges insert symmetric vertically give here in set child, and we need to cast here the round text field. We need to give title search. No, we need to not give the search here. In text we need to change, and now we need to set icon. Here and final widget. This dot left, and we need to paste here left way. Need to give here the suffix icon. We need to put here. Not suffix, we need to give prefix. Now just modify here, give it the semicolon, this wrong place to add this code. Cut this. Go inside the search to put here. Now we need to set here the left. Set here the image icon set. Now we need to give here the search icon. Copy the related path with the 20 height 20, and we need to give color the background. We need to go inside the download folder to cut this here, this all the out here, and Then here the search bar as a controller, past here controller, search. Save this. Now I need to set here the PG text set here. Now save this. Go inside the BG text, we need to check here. Go inside the definition and to change this configuration. Cycle. Now we need to give here the cross accessor cell. Enter. This. And we need to left. Do this, and we need to go inside the search view and to increase the height. And now, and we need to set here padding. Set here the only, and to give here the left as the 50. So now save this and search bars here the done. And now we need to develop here the here. No need to here the scroll this, and here the expand, and we to right here the list view. Builder we need to pass here. Now we need to create here the context and index here. Now we need to create here the item count as a search array. Here down here the length, and we need to return here the and we need to create here the child. We need to copy here the text. Copy this text and we need to paste here, and we need to get here the search object as object. That here search array, index of the value as a map with plastic optional, and give it the optional value. Not get the optional value, and we need to pass here the semicolon, and we need to check here the font size and font set as a 12, and down here the title, as object, give here the name. Okay, now pass then, and we need to write down here the create size width. We need to give here width space, we need to give here the 8, and we need to set here the const value, and we need to create here the container. Give here a width double max fit we need to give, and we need to give here the height the 1, and we need to give the color the color part, give the subtext color. This one remove to write this part. Now fix this, and we to give it the font weight as a set here the by 100. Okay, now we need to give here the padding. Symmetric horizontally give 15. Save this. Now display. Now we need to create here padding vertical. And here vertical 8. Now save this. And we need to set here the this insert set 0. Now here now set here vertical. Okay, now good. And now we need to create here the horizontal list. And now we need to set here cross axis alignment set as a start. Now we need to create here the horizontal list for the movie, and we need to go inside here to movie details. And we need to copy this, enter, copy this, and we need to close. Copy this here to put here. And now we need to create here the media variable where media vary of context dot size, which is the media here. Now we need to give here the array, yes, array to object, and we need to give here the list as a array list. This value, and now need to pass here this array, pass here value as a string. And comment this, remove it. Okay, now we need to set here to string, and we need to remove this. Remove this column. Okay, now save this. Maybe here not get this image, that's why issue. Okay, will not give comma, that's why. And we need to reload this UI. Now need to decrease this height. First of all, you need to here spot, and Now change this. Now display good here. Okay, now search screen are done, and now we need to develop here. First of all, we need to check with the keyboard. Here, go inside outlet, and we need to give it the toggle keyboard. We need to use. Okay, now here display similar. Now need to hot reload. And now we need to create here the download UI. We need to develop here. On download. Now we need to develop this download UI. We need to go inside the movie show and we need to copy this episode UI. Short list, we need to go inside the TV show. Need to copy. This list view binder we need to copy here. And to paste inside the download. Create here the body. Now we need to here create here the array. First of all, list and download. Now we need to give here sample and here the name after image. Then we need to give your size and hit the aperture. Is movie. And episode. Okay, now copy this. Okay, now we need to one by one need to give the names and titles. This pasting. So first of all, this series. Show, and to give here the episode size as 4 and to give size as 5 and MB. Now we need to give here the image folder, download one relative path we need to paste. Change this name 6 that here 5 4 3 Now we need to create here the movie, and we do for size GB. Now another movie series we need to here, and we to give size 10.4, and we to episode as a 8, and we to set here false. Now we need to scratch cam and to create here to set here 3 episode. Zero. This one is and another movie before here, and to give their size now save this, and to configure this array inside the list view here, and change this name, and we to give here the media, where here media is equal to media query of context. Size save it. And we need to remove here this download button, not created here, is already download, so I need to, and we need to give here the one condition, the object copy here, movie past here, here the size. If you this movie true, then we to give size only this. Now we need to create about the TV show, then we get the episode. Here now we need to copy the and down here episode. Give here the key name soda, and now save this, check here, and you need to give here the first of all link, here the to place wrong place, that's why not display here. And we need to set here. Okay, now here the download list are the completed with the dark mode and light mode. Done here. Now need to create here this profile UI. First of all, go inside the profile. Now need to create here body and to add down here the shape area. And to child scope. Give child and casting column. Give here the cross axis element as a center already by default. Now to create child, so first of all create here the profile image logic. We need to go inside the register and now we need to images here to put here, and we need to import first of all this image picker. Now we need to copy this to. Now we need to give here the media here. Media query. That context. Plot size. The media variable. And now we need to get the start.io, and we need to change this title to code for any, and we need to check here. Now check here. Write down here the set here and give the text color as a primary color, and we need to remove here the regular font and here check here the and we need to give here the max to this. Here the past here the linear gradient picking as a set line, and we need to past here line. Save this. Increase here, right? Give here the 30%. We need to third G to now this. Give it and we need to give here the padding display here. Save this. Now we need to copy here this text height and width as heading. Now display a good here. Now Bye. Now we need to create here the list view. Here the height space we need to give here. And we call. Now we need to go to view symmetric, and we put that here horizontally. Now to row, that here not row to create list view. That builder will first here context. Now cast here the row, and we need to set here the children's first of all image, and then we need to create here the text. And now we need to develop here that the tuple create here the menu array. Down here the image, give here the name. Now need to copy path and to paste here. Here we are. Now we need to copy here first of all the image asset inside. Copy this user relative path and to paste here. Now copy this notification relative path and to put here. Then we need to copy here the setting path and we to put here. After we need to copy help relative and to paste here, and then we need to create here the login logout relative path and to page, and to write down here the logout. Now set here setting notification account. Now save this, we need to clear this here. And we need to first of all create here use physics as a never scroll. Set your sync wrap as a true. And we need to give it a semicolon. And now we need to create here the context. And indexed header. Here we write 1. Now we need to pass here the image that, and we need to all create here the object. Now we need to create here the give menu array text of the value. Now we need to write down here the width, as we need to set here 5, right, set here 25. Now we need to copy the same text and we need to here give here the width space first of all, set here the hints. To give here the main axis alignment start with. And we need to give here the name. Change here the text to string. Now we need to create here the padding and to set symmetric. Vertically give here the and horizontally green. And we need to city and we need to this image size. And we need to change this height first of all. Set here. Okay, now display good and complete this design here. First of all, give the T text you need to give here. And we need to give here some top space. And we need to set here the digit text. This height. Okay, now display good here, and we need to create here the light and dark themes, and we need to give here the background color. If you like video, please subscribe my channels and give it a thumbs up. If you new user, so please subscribe my channels and you can get the every new video notifications. If you any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day and goodbye.